How do we get a Santa hat like that? Very easy. I've created a Santa hat on my profile picture for LinkedIn, and here's how you can do it too. First off, we go to Canva. I'm using the free version and I click on create a design. We want a square design 300 by 300. So if we go down the bottom here, we've got custom size. It's 300 by 300. There is the new design. First off, we need to add a color to the background. And I want to go for a nice light blue color. The next thing we need to do is add a little bit of snow. So if I click on elements and then right in the top, snow, I then get loads of snow. So if I click see all on graphics, because that's what I'm after, and I think it's probably that one there. There we go. And all I'm going to do is expand that up by grabbing hold of the corners. And there we go. Got my snow background. Next up, I need a photo. I need to go into Remove.bg. So it's Remove.bg. There you go. And I'm going to upload an image. And here we go. There's my image there that was taken by an amazing photographer. Click on that. Click on open. And it's uploading that image now to Remove.bg. This is a free bit of software that you can get, and click on download, and it's put that image up there in my downloads. So next thing I need to do is go into my design, grab hold of that image, put it in there. So there he is. And I want to fill that up as big as possible. So there we go. And the next thing I need is a Santa hat. So back to elements, take out there, put in Santa hat, and then pick the one that I like. So click on there. It's a little bit big, so I'm going to just make it a bit smaller by grabbing hold of the corners. And just a little tweak there. And then if I click this button here, it actually rotates it. So I can grab hold of that. It's still a little bit big, going over my ears. So there we go. Very quickly, I've now got a Santa hat on my little head. That'll cheer me up for Christmas. And you can just download that by going into Share and Download and save that as a PNG and click Download. Next, all you need to do is upload that to your LinkedIn profile. My name is Ashley Leeds and I'm the 15-minute guy, and I love helping people with LinkedIn. If you've got any questions, please reach out. And I hope to see more Christmas hats this year. You take care. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed my video, please click on any of these things here, because that's going to help me. Thank you.